Hey guys, I am Jeffrey. Today we will discuss the contents of the lesson 46 of the MANABU online textbook. We have separate videos of the grammar lessons on our YouTube channel, so please check them out for you to understand more about today's lesson. So, let's get started. Lesson 46, Sentence Patterns. Let's read sentence pattern number 1. Kaigi wa ima kara hajimaru tokoro desu. Kaigi wa ima kara hajimaru tokoro desu. The tokoro in this lesson is used when describing an aspect of an action or event. So just like this one, the verb dictionary form tokoro desu. In this pattern, the tokoro indicates that an action is just about to begin. You're just about to do an action. So it's often used with adverbs such as korekara. So korekara means from now on. Or chodo imakara or just imakara. And you can also use the tokoro to the verb teiru form of the verbs. So this indicates that an action is in progress. To specify that the action is still in progress. So it is often used with ima. And also you can use the tokoro to the verb ta form of the verbs. And this indicates that an action has just been completed. Just now, it has been completed. And it is often used with adverbs such as tatta ima. So just like in the sentence, kaigi wa, the meeting. Ima kara, so from now on, ima kara. Hajimaru tokoro desu. So the pattern verb dictionary form tokoro desu. It means that kaigi wa, the meeting, is just about to begin. Hajimaru tokoro desu. Sentence pattern number 2. Kare wa 3月に大学を卒業したばかりです。彼は3月に大学を卒業したばかりです。The pattern used in this sentence is verb ta form plus bakari desu. So this sentence pattern also expresses the speaker's sense that not much time has passed since the action has been performed or an event has occurred. However, unlike the verb ta tokoro desu, so verb tabakari versus verb ta tokoro desu, the verb tabakari sentence pattern can be used regardless of how much time has elapsed if the speaker feels it is short. So for example, in this sentence, kare wa 3月に大学を卒業したばかりです. It means that the verb has just been completed. But the verb tabakari desu expresses the speaker's sense that not much time has passed. Not much time has passed since the action has been performed. So he just graduated from the university this March, but the speaker feels that not much time has passed. Sentence pattern number 3. Jeffrey-san wa kaigishitsu ni iru hazu desu. Jeffrey-san wa kaigishitsu ni iru hazu desu. Mr. Jeffrey must be in the meeting room. So the pattern used in this sentence is verb dictionary form hazu desu, verb nai form hazu desu, the i adjective hazu desu, na adjective na hazu desu, and noun no hazu desu. This sentence pattern is used when a speaker is decisively stating a conclusion that he or she has reached based on particular grounds. So let's go back to the example sentence. Jeffrey-san wa kaigishitsu ni iru hazu desu. So for example, today there is a schedule for the meeting in the morning. So Mr. Jeffrey is expected to be in the meeting room because they have a meeting. So Jeffrey-san wa kaigishitsu ni iru hazu desu. Mr. Jeffrey must be or expected to be in the meeting room. So the speaker is expressing his conclusion that Mr. Jeffrey is in the meeting room based on is because today there is a meeting. So now let's look at more example sentences. Example sentence number 1. Moshi moshi, Tanaka desu ga, ima ii desu ka? Sumimasen, densha ni noru tokoro nan desu. Ato de kochira kara denwa shimasu. So he said, Moshi moshi, hello. Tanaka desu ga. This is Tanaka. Ima ii desu ka? Can I talk to you for a moment? So, ima ii desu ka? Can I disturb you for a while? He said, sumimasen. Oh, I'm sorry. Densha ni noru tokoro nan desu. So, densha ni norimasu. Densha ni noru plus tokoro, it means that he is just about to get on the train. I'm about to get on the train. Ato de, later. Kochira kara, from here. Denwa shimasu. It means that I will call you later. Example sentence number 2. Koshou no gein wa wakarimashita ka? Iie, ima shirabete iru tokoro desu. So, have you found the cause of the breakdown? Koshou no gein, the cause of the breakdown. Wakarimashita ka? Have you found out? No. Ima, right now, shirabete iru tokoro desu. The verb shirabete iru means we are investigating. Plus tokoro means, so it means that it's still in progress. They are still investigating. Example sentence number 3. Watanabe-san wa imasu ka? Tatta ima kaetta tokoro desu. Mada elevator no tokoro ni iru ka mo shirimasen. So, Watanabe-san wa imasu ka? Is Miss Watanabe here? Tatta ima, just now. Kaita tokoro desu. So, verb ta tokoro desu. So, to show that the action has just been completed, just right now. Kaita tokoro desu. She just left or she just went home. Mada elevator ni or mada elevator no tokoro ni iru ka mo shirimasen. So, mada, still, elevator no tokoro ni. So, near the elevator. Iru ka mo shirimasen. Maybe she might still be by the lifts or by the elevators. Example sentence number 4. Shigoto wa dou desu ka? Sengetsu kaisha ni haitta bakari na de, mada yoku wakarimasen. So, shigoto wa dou desu ka? How was your work? Sengetsu, last month. So, sengetsu. Kaisha ni haitta bakari de. So, haitta bakari. Verb ta bakari. It means that the time sengetsu, last month, the speaker feels that not much time has passed. Sengetsu. Mada yoku wakarimasen. I just entered or I just started working last month. Example sentence number 5. Kono video camera, senshu katta bakari nano ni ugokanai desu. Ja, chotto misete kudasai. So he said, I only bought this video camera last month and it's already stopped working. So the sentence was, Kono video camera, this video camera, senshu, last week, katta bakari nano ni. So katta bakari, I just bought this senshu, last week. So bakari, then nano ni. So bakari is a noun, so you can conjugate this to the no ni following the noun no ni. So we will use na, bakari na no ni. So if you remember our previous lesson, no ni expresses your dissatisfaction or disappointment about something, about the result of something. Katta bakari na no ni, I just bought this last week. Ugokanai desu, it stopped working. Ja, chotto misete kudasai. Okay, please show it to me. Example sentence number 6. Jeffrey-san wa mada desu ka? Sakki eki kara denwa ga arimashita kara mou sugu kuru hazu desu. So, hasn't Mr. Jeffrey arrived yet? He called from the station earlier, so he should be here soon. So, sakki kara. So, sakki, eki kara. Sakki means a while ago. Eki kara, from the station. Denwa ga arimashita. He called. Then, mou sugu, soon. Kuru hazu desu. Kuru plus hazu means the speaker is giving a conclusion about something that Mr. Jeffrey will come eventually or mou sugu, soon. Because the basis of his conclusion is because there was a phone call from Mr. Jeffrey at the station. So he must be or he must arrive soon. Or he is expected to arrive soon because of the phone call. So now let's watch the conversation video. Hi, ガソサービスセンターでございます。
ガスレンジの調子がちょっと悪いんですが、
どんな具合ですか？
先週直してもらったばっかりなのに、また火が消えてしまうんです。危ないので、すぐ見に来てくれませんか？
わかりました。5時頃には行けると思います。ご住所とお名前をお願いします。
もしもし、5時頃にガスレンジを見に来てくれるはずなんですが、まだですか？
申し訳ありません。どちら様でしょうか？
アンドレアです。
少々お待ちください。係員に連絡しますから。お待たせしました。今、そちらに向かっているところです。あと10分ほどお待ちください。Lesson 46, Exercise A. Let's read number 1. ちょうど今から試合が始まるところです。So once again, the verb dictionary form ところです can be used with adverbs such as ちょうど今から or 今から or これから from now on. So ちょうど今から from now on 試合が始まる the contest will begin. 始まるところです The match is just about to begin. Next line これからみんなで食事するところです So これから from now on みんなで with everybody 食事する We will have a meal. So 食事する plus ところです It means that we are just about to have a meal. Next line 今 right now 部屋を片付けているところです部屋を片付けている I'm cleaning the room plus ところです It means that I am still or in progress The action is in progress I'm still or I'm currently cleaning my room. Next line 論文を書いているところです So 論文 is an essay plus the verb 書いている from the verb 書きます to write I'm writing an essay ところです I'm in the middle of writing an essay or it's in progress. Next line たった今バスが出たところです So たった今 just now バスが出たところです The bus has just left just now. Next line 家へ帰ってきたところです家へ帰ってきました I just came home 帰ってきたところです Number 2私はさっき昼ご飯を食べたばかりです So 私はさっき a while ago 昼ご飯を食べたばかりです So if we compare the verb たところです and the 食べたばかりです The verb たところです A very short period of time or at this moment the verb or the action has just been completed and the verb たばかりです has longer time than the verb たところです Longer time has just passed but the speaker feels or speaker sense that not much time has passed since the action has been performed. Next line ミルトンさんは先月結婚したばかりですミルトンさんは先月結婚したばかりです Mr. Milton 先月 last month 結婚したばかりです from the verb 結婚します to get married 結婚した got married 結婚したばかりです has just got married and the time stated is 先月 last month so the speaker feels that not much time has passed so he feels that 先月 or last month is just a short time that passed next line このコピー機は先週修理したばかりです So, このコピー機 this copy machine 先週 last week 修理したばかりです has just been repaired Number 3, Nimotsu wa ashita todoku hazu desu. So nimotsu wa the package, ashita tomorrow, todoku hazu desu. From the verb todoku, todokimasu means to arrive. Todoku hazu desu. The package must arrive or is expected to arrive tomorrow. So maybe the basis of his conclusion is because it is scheduled to arrive tomorrow. So the package is expected to arrive. Next, Janjiro-san wa osake o nomanai hazu desu. So Janjel-san, Miss Janjel, osake o nomanai, doesn't drink wine. Hazu desu. So the speaker believes or is sure that, or his conclusion is that Miss Janjel doesn't drink wine. Next line, Buchou wa kyou wa isogashi hazu desu. So Buchou wa kyou wa today isogashi hazu desu. So the speaker concludes that Buchou is very busy today. So for example, today is Monday, so he believes that Buchou must be busy today. Isogashi hazu desu. Next line, Kachou wa doitsu go ga jouzu na hazu desu. So Kachou, doitsu go, German language, ga jouzu na hazu desu. So na adjective plus hazu, jouzu na hazu desu. Kachou must be good in German language. So his basis of his conclusion, because maybe Kachou lived in Germany for a very long time, so he must be good in German language. So that's all for this lesson, guys. Make sure to watch my grammar lesson videos on our YouTube channel for you to understand more about this lesson. So see you guys again next time. Mata ne.